It's that Super Bowl, no, she my flow. Yeah, it's that Super Bowl.
Welcome back to the Flex McKenzie review. Today, I'm gonna review Popeye Red Stick Chicken. I went to Popeye today, just for you guys. I haven't had Popeye in a long time, but I had to try their red stick. I think it should be like spicier and something. So I went in there, ordered the red stick. The female cashier, she was like, "What kind of sauce do you want? What kind of sauce does it come with? Come on, give me a sauce, so I could dip the chicken in." But anyway, that was kind of rude. Maybe it was. I don't know. But she was so much into me. She hooked me up. Check this out. Yeah, was around like a few years ago, so now it came back, something like that. So anyway, Popeye, your ranch is so expensive. 75 cents? Come on, drop the price to 25 cents. It's just that simple. Just that simple. Drop it 25 cents, not 75 cents. Ooh, look at this, 2 little dip, boom, it's over. But anyway, let's get on with the chicken taste. Now, ooh, look at the tender. I don't know if the camera could see it, but it should be like have a little redness going on it, like it was dipped in something red, paint with red. I'm just kidding, not paint with red, but dip. But let me go ahead now. It should be like a little spicy. I don't taste the spice yet. Hold on. Spice is there. Ooh, felt the heat after. It was like pow. But it's really it's really good. Focus, a little spicy, but but I could handle it. Keeping in mind I'm Jamaican. Yeah. So anyway, so I got ranch with it. At least I thought she gave me ranch. It said ranch sauce. Oh, smoky and pepper. What does that mean? It's spicy too? I mean, how stupid do you think I am gonna eat spicy dip with spicy chicken, right? But I'm gonna try it anyway and see what it. Spicy. Ooh. It comes with a biscuit. So I'm gonna put jam, jelly or whatever this is on the biscuit. Butter that bad boy around. Take a bite. The chicken. The dip is not really spicy. The dip, smoke and pepper, ranch sauce. Make sure you get it. This is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Look a little, it's creamy and it have like a little orangey or, cheese color flavor going on. And I hope this is not blurry because I'm enjoying this so much. I don't want to get up and check. If it is, it's not my fault. Look at that. Okay. Their red stick chicken is good. I think you all should go ahead, give it a try. It tastes good, trust me. Don't forget, get that that dip, the smoke and pepper ranch sauce. Don't forget, get it with it. It's not spicy. It just makes it right. And the chicken is not really spicy. It does give you a little pow in the back, but then it's just mellowed out. So go ahead, try that red stick chicken. I think it's like $5 for the whole box is $5. So go ahead, you know, they give a lot of French fry. And we all know how good Popeye French fries are. So go ahead, run to the Popeye and get yourself some red steak. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this review. And if you're new here, please like, share, subscribe. And as always, I'm gonna catch you on my next video. It's that simple. I'm out.